Manage buckets in your iDrive E2 account. Click the settings icon beside a bucket to view and manage the bucket settings. Under Bucket Summary, enable static website hosting to host your website. Specify the index document as the default page and optionally define a custom error document. Redirect requests for an object by selecting the redirect option, entering the target address, choosing a protocol, and updating the configuration. You can also enable retention for a bucket to prevent objects from being deleted. Choose the preferred retention mode, duration, and validity. Go to Object Lifecycle to define actions that you want iDrive E2 to take during the life of an object. Click Add Rule. Select a prefix to identify the object and define actions for current or older versions of the specified object. You can edit, disable, or delete the object cycle rule as required. You can set up object replication for the bucket for greater redundancy, compliance, and faster access. Configure event triggers for specific bucket activities and receive instant notifications. Set up bucket CORS rules to define who can access your resources. Review the JSON configuration that specifies permissions and apply the rules to the bucket.